I was talking to a software engineer that recently migrated to the JavaScript, TypeScript ecosystem after programming in a different computer language. He was asking me if the .npmrc file and the prettier RC file were release candidates. If you are a seasoned TypeScript or JavaScript programmer, this seems like a very trivial thing. But if you're new to the JavaScript world, these two letters at the end could certainly trip people up. In the context of the software release lifecycle, the suffix RC means release candidate, or the final version before it goes into production. Here's the Golang example, and then here's the 10 stack start example. Now the RCs over here is following a long Unix tradition or convention. It could mean run commands or runtime configuration. And that's exactly what they are. These are configuration files. In the case of ESLint-RC, this is outdated, it's deprecated. The convention now is eslinconfig.js file or JavaScript file. But if you're working in an older repo, an older code base, you're going to still see this convention over here. And here are more examples of the traditional Unix, Linux runtime configuration, such as my zrc file, my zshrc file, or zshrc file, depending where you're from, or my viewrc, my vimrc. So these are configuration files. So these files are along the same vein as that. Now, um, again, these are trivial things if you program in JavaScript, TypeScript. But if you come from a different ecosystem like .NET, you program in C#.NET, they don't use these type of convention. You could be a C#.NET developer for 20 years and never run into this type of thing before. It's one of those things where you don't know until you know. So hopefully that clears things up for you. Please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Goodbye for now.